Yeah, let's get it. Yee. Big boy. Oh shit, I thought y'all did that. I'm like, damn, okay, wood crate. Yeah, and the door.
Alama. Ya.
Eee. Perfecto.
Te lo digo.
You can just put it anywhere over there, wherever you want to throw that shit. Yeah, wherever you want to throw it. And then I'll deal with this crazy shit. Sorry.
No, digo por acá.
Yeah, yep, straight in there. That's it, done. Simple. Thank you. Thank you so much. You just put it right there. Simple.
Right here?
Yep, fine. Yep, drop it.
Vale.
Yep, it's good. Thank you.
All right, buddy. Let me get the papers real quick.
Got it. Dang.
I'll be back.
That's for you. That's for you, Mama Bear. That's for you. First, I piece that shit up. Okay. Now I should be able to move this shit. There we go. Mm-hmm. Are you happy? I'm definitely gonna have to set it up. This is for you, Lila. Fluffy llama. Oh my gosh. So cool. Lila. Oh. Lila. It's really cool. Wow. She's gonna. And I also think the front and the back comes out, so she can go inside there. In the front and in the back. I think the back comes out too. Beep. So it's like a tunnel. That's cute. You want to tell Mama? Want to come play?